Hi, welcome to this video tape, which is all about getting started in Forex. It's aimed at complete beginners who are exploring the markets and want to know the profit potential, okay, and the sort of lifestyle that successful traders enjoy. And I'm going to go into this in more detail in a moment. It is a fantastic opportunity, and for successful Forex traders, it's a great lifestyle. Now, in terms of this search on YouTube, Forex trading lifestyle, what you will get though is a lot of videos from very young people. Well, I'd say very young, normally in their 20s. They will have claimed to have made a small amount of money, normally around $100 into farm, or can be a few $100,000. And normally they will sell you their secrets of success. Now, how realistic is it to make a small amount into a large amount like they claim? Well, what you do is just ask yourself a question, okay? And I'm going to pose the question on a quick clip. It's actually from an old TV ad, and the phrase is actually one that everyone will know. Just want to pose it and then come back and discuss the profit potential of Forex trading.
It certainly is a big bun.
It's a very big bun.
Big fluffy bun.
It's a very big fluffy bun.
Where's the beef?
I will get back off that short clip. It's the obvious question, isn't it? You see the so-called young millionaire traders with the flash cars in nice destinations, but you never ever see an audited track record of their gains, the proof. What you will get is, photoshopped bank statements maybe, or hypothetical track records. No real evidence, because they didn't make the money. Yeah, it's pretty obvious they're not going to be making more than the world's top hedge fund managers. You can make a lot of money. We're going to go into that in a moment. But I'm absolutely surprised that people believe those videos. And I know one Forex marketing company. They will produce a strategy every few months or so. They'll sell it and they'll take over $1 million. And the strategy itself doesn't work. And I think, if you're coming into Forex trading, you want to know the profit potential. I'm going to give you the reality, and also the reality of the lifestyle of professional Forex traders. And it is a fantastic opportunity for those people who are going to take Forex trading seriously and don't expect to get rich overnight. It takes time, of course. Right, let's go through how much money you can realistically make, and also the lifestyle of professional Forex traders. Right, let's have a look at the reality of becoming a successful Forex trader, and the sort of lifestyle that Forex traders actually do have. Okay, now in terms of can anyone win at Forex trading? The answer is yes. It's not to do with intellect or having a university degree. It's really to do with having the right psychology to trade money under pressure, keep losses small and run profits. And anyone can get the right mindset if they want to. And there are no secrets to Forex trading success. You can actually learn methods that work for free on the internet. If you hunt out the right information, you will find a simple strategy that can make money. Then you actually have to make money with the right psychology. And there's plenty of info on the right psychology online as well. But what I would recommend is you go and get some books from Amazon on getting the right trader psychology. We've got lists of books, our favourites. You can get our top 10 Forex psychology books for under $100, and that is money well spent in our view. Right, now in terms of a business, it doesn't actually require a lot of money to start a Forex business. You could start with a few hundred, okay? And you can't do that in most businesses, okay? You normally have to invest money in maybe premises or staff or marketing or whatever. In Forex trading, you don't have to do that, okay? Your only overhead really is a computer and an internet connection. Now, you can start off with a few $100s, and A lot of people do, but I would certainly, if you're taking Forex trading seriously, at least start with a few thousand. And in terms of, how much money you're going to make, it obviously is related to your starting amount. And I would say, yes, you can start with very small amounts. It's going to take you longer, let's say, to build up your capital. That should be fairly obvious. So I would say a few thousand, the more the better, really, in my view. Another huge advantage of Forex trading is in leverage your money. You can go to a Forex broker, put in 1,000, they'll probably give you 100 to 1, leverage maybe 200 to 1. So theoretically, you could trade in the market 100 to 200,000. So your profits and your losses are magnified. And leverage is, what attracts people to Forex trading. But, it's obviously a double-edged sword. If you risk too much, you'll just basically wipe out your account. In terms of leverage, I put you should have an 8 to 10% cap. And what I mean by that, it's mathematically proven that really is the maximum risk you should take when dealing with leverage, to ensure that you don't wipe yourself out. So you can leverage, and that is one of the big advantages of Forex trading. You just got to be sensible about the amount of leverage that you use. Most beginners wipe themselves out pretty quickly because they use too much. Only risk 8 to 10% of your account maximum in the markets. And when you first start trading, you should start very, very small, because you're going to need to get used to dealing with money under pressure. How much time does it take to run a Forex trading business? You see, online, a lot of people sitting around at the screen all day. And a lot of people think that's the reality of professional Forex trading. It's not. Hardly any trader that I know would sit around at a screen all day. They might, watch a major news event or whatever. But most traders I know who are successful take maybe an hour to 2 hours a day. Okay, and that's all. They don't spend any more time on their trading. The fantastic thing about Forex trading is it's not related to the amount of hours you put in, what you get out. In fact, in Forex trading, less is more. You don't want to be trading too often. You just want to be trading high odds opportunities. They don't come around, every day necessarily. They might come around every week maybe, or every couple of weeks. I know plenty of traders only trade a few times a month, and they're full-time traders, but they focus on, really high odds trades, and, they basically follow them, make a lot of money, okay? So it doesn't take much time. You obviously take breaks from the business whenever you want. So it's very flexible sort of business, if that makes sense. You can run it from anywhere as well. You can just run it from your laptop if you want. But there's never a recession or downturn in the business. And that's, I think, a fantastic advantage. If you think about many other businesses, let's say you're selling luxury cars, well, if the economy turns down, so does your business. Many businesses are seasonal, for example. So they won't make as much money. Let's say it's a seasonal business based in the summer, I don't know, selling ice cream. You're not going to sell much ice cream in the winter, are you? Forex trading, you obviously have the potential to make profit at any time. Okay? Profit opportunities are always going to come around. Okay? So no recession or downturn, which I think is a great advantage. The profit potential. So how much can you really make? For the traders that I would know who trade full time, it's going to be somewhere between 100% per annum. Some make more. Some might make 200% or 300, but not consistently. I think consistently, probably about 100 to 200% would be the top traders that I would know. Now, a lot of people, watching this video might think, well, that's not very much at all. Yes, it is. Because what you've got to think about is, in terms of Forex trading, you have the impact of compounding if you can make regular profits, okay? And what I mean by that is, if you took $1,000, let's say you made 100% per annum on it, how much do you have in 10 years? The answer is about 160,000. Start with 10,000, how much do you have in 10 years? You have 1.6 million. So of course money makes money. Okay, you can always put in whatever amount you start with and compound it forward and see how much you could possibly make. But that's just such a fantastic advantage, because the more money you make doesn't mean that you actually have to increase your overhead. You don't. And you don't actually have to increase the hours that you trade. Okay? So there's no more effort involved. I put focus on short and long-term goals. I think in terms of Forex trading, be realistic. Set goals for yourself by all means, but don't make them unrealistic. I think if you started off and set yourself, a goal, I'm going to make 100%. That would be, a goal that is achievable. I'm not saying everyone's going to achieve it though. But don't sort of think, well, I'm going to get $100 and make 100,000 in my first year, because it's just not the reality. I think in terms of Forex trading, it does suit certain types of people. It doesn't suit others. The people who are thrill seekers, the people who are just obsessed with money and want to make it really, really quickly, are never normally good Forex traders. They'll take too much risk. And they'll blow up their accounts. But I've seen traders, young traders as well, want to be successful Forex traders. They want to do it. They're prepared to go through the learning curve. There's always a learning curve in anything, okay? So when you start Forex trading, in your first few months, you're probably going to make quite a few mistakes. That's just natural. As long as you correct them, that's fine. And then you get used to the feel of Forex trading, and you just basically become a trader who is very confident in what they're doing, okay? I think with Forex trading, it is one of the few areas where you can start with small amounts of money, and you can make money pretty quickly. Obviously, not as quickly as some of the people claim, like in those Forex lifestyle videos, but it is a fantastic opportunity. There's no other business, I think, that has all those advantages, and also anyone can do it. So fantastic opportunity in my view. If you want to become a successful Forex trader, the opportunity is there, and if you really want to do it, you can do it, become successful and make good amounts of money from the market. So that is the video for today. Thank you very much for watching me as per usual. Take care and have a good day.